DSS officials continue to manhandle and maltreat lawyers during visits to Nnamdi Kanu. Barrister Ejiofor cries out as he urges the IPOB and Biafrans to join hands and continue more prayers while the process is ongoing. Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Biafra latest updates. In this channel, we do all breaking news about IPOB, Biafra and its leader, Nnamdi Kanu. Do watch this video till the end, and if you like, do write on the comment section your opinion about the video and give it a thumbs up. I read. Update on yesterday's visit to our client, Nnamdi Kanu. Our client, Nnamdi Kanu, was visited yesterday, and in his usual practice, he extended his compliments to his millions of supporters. He is indeed eternally grateful for the overwhelming support and show of solidarity. It is pertinent to note that the harassment, intimidation and manhandling of our lawyers by the DSS officials during the visit still continued despite our protests last week. Lawyers were practically stripped naked while searching for incriminating materials during a court order visit. We therefore do not mince words in stating that it is no longer safe as it stands today for us who are visiting our client. This hostile treatment is becoming exceedingly intolerable and unacceptable in the prevailing circumstances. We are now more apprehensive of the fact that no trial will commence on the circumstance we presently find ourselves until our client, Nnamdi Kanu, is transferred to the correctional center. He cannot be tried for a one-way stereotype conviction in the manner the federal government is presently pursuing this. To deny us, his lawyers, writing materials for the visit to be conducted under the atmosphere of fear and intimidation is highly unacceptable and condemnable. The script currently being played in a clear demonstration of the federal government's strategy to deny him fair trial, and we cannot accept it under no circumstance. We understand the game and the dancing pattern. I want you all to be reminded that the present development is a direct consequence of your prayers well answered. We crave for more prayers and urge you all to continue to remain law-abiding and peaceful in the conduct of your affairs. Be assured that with truth and God on our side, we will win the battle in court overwhelmingly. We shall continue to keep you posted as the event unfolds, but be assured that we will have reasons to rejoice in no distant time. Umu Chineke. Thank you all and remain blessed. Signed, Ejiofor Ifeanyi, Nnamdi Kanu's lead counsel. So you have heard for yourself the updates that Barrister Ejiofor brought up to the public. He said the lawyers or the legal team to Nnamdi Kanu are still manhandled, are still intimidated, are still threatened and harassed on their routine visits each time they go to visit Nnamdi Kanu. They say they can't take this no more, and it is a clear indication that if Nnamdi Kanu keep staying in the custody of the DSS, definitely he won't get a fair trial. And it's also very shocking to all of us because as the legal team to the client, they had to go into the visit room with a paper and a pen or writing documents where they will write down whatsoever their clients will share with them, because this is what will be used on the court during his trial. So definitely this is just the normal, as we all know, because the Janjaweed community definitely is looking for a way not to give a fair trial and to incriminate more issues on this particular matter. But without withstanding, Barrister Ejiofor calls on the Biafrans and IPOB to continue praying, because it's definitely their prayers being answered as the Janjaweed community get exposed and actually bring out their strategies and technique, showing the world the unfairness they are doing to the leader, Mas Nnamdi Kanu, because definitely they are going against the law, they are going against every other decision taken by the court, and these definitely will be used against them in the court of law during the trial. So he urges the IPOB and the Biafrans to continue praying without ceasing and be law abiding, of course, so as to avoid any kind of incriminating videos, incriminating statements from the federal government that is going to wonder or kind of disturb the trial. So guys, I don't know what you think about the video. Please do write on the comment section what you think about the video. Give us your opinion, because in this channel all opinions do count. I'll see you on my video. Please do not forget to support this channel by clicking on the red subscribe button and turning on your post notification, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Thank you. May God bless you.